Wow, it's looking great. It looks so nice. DJI OSMO Mobile. Finally, I received one. This must be a battery. Wrist strap. And this is a bag. So I guess it's carrying bag. And this is manual. And this yellow thing must be power charging cable to USB. This feels solid. It's, feel like this is high quality product. And I need to attach this wrist strap. It's nice. This thing is kept to plug in those mounting hole. This is a 3-axis stabilization. It feels good. It's brand new, it's a new model just came out. I purchased this from B&H Photo. It is also available from in the eBay and Amazon. And also you can directly buy from DJI as well. And let's install battery. Remove the clear plastic. And insert the battery. Insert the battery and close door. And that's the power button. At this moment doesn't do anything. This joystick for panning, and that's a shutter button, and that's record button. So red one is record, and a black button is the shutter for picture. And then joystick, the trigger is for the twice to center, and 3 times to flip for, I guess, a selfie. I feel like it's a solid. It's really well made design. Since it's not doing anything, I'm gonna have to try to charge the battery and see what happens. Or maybe I need to connect to the smartphone. So far, I'm very pleased with this quality. Okay, let's try to charge the battery. It is a USB connector, and the other side is 3 point, seems like a 3.5 millimeter jack. Let's open this. Oops, it's okay, I need to pull this out instead of removing this tape. Oops. Next, for you, just to simply push out or pull it. That's the way to remove. Okay, let's plug into power plug. I'm gonna use this hole for mounting some stuff later. Okay, let's also apply USB power to it. It does not come with the USB power supplier. It's only the cable it comes with. And I can see the system status was up, and then power is charging from red to yellow and green. I guess that's showing how the battery is being charged. And the one I have here, the charger is supposed to be supply 3 amps. So, and also I bought the extra battery. Even the power is applied, I don't see any movements, so I probably have to connect to a smartphone to enable this gimbal. So far so good. I'm going to leave into charger for several hours, maybe overnight. And on next video, I will post connecting the gimbal to a smartphone. And also, I purchased a universal mount and a straight extension arm. I bought just in case if I need them. Okay, that's it for this video, and stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.